Well, since that first video was so much fun, I decided that I would do a second one. And this is my dining room where all of my model kits are, because I don't have any room in that other bedroom, a spare bedroom, to put any of these things. I have collected these. Some of these are kits that I had back when I was 30 years ago that I bought when I was still married. My son was like a year and a half. He's 30 now. Some of these are new kits, like the Mobius flatbed trailer, but I have a bunch of kits. I love cars. I started getting, because of Andy, I started getting into armor, and another gentleman who goes by Rebels of Cloud9 on YouTube. He got me interested in building airplanes. I'm also big into Star Wars. I have a bunch of Bandai Star Wars kits. I also have a bunch of Space Battleship Yamato kits, because I have never watched the show, but I love it. I love their models. And over here on my bar is a crap load more of kits. Some of these are already built. You can see I got some in cases. The El Camino, the Corvette, the Nova, those are all built kits. The Bigfoot is built. The Blazer is sort of built. I still have some Johan kits. Eventually, I will build the ones I have. I'll build all of them someday. I work a lot. I work like 10, 12, 14 hours a day. And I don't have much time to do anything else. But, back there is some kits that I built many, many years ago that I managed to get into cases. But this is some of the stuff I have, and I'm going to embarrass myself here because I also collect anime figures, and these are all the anime figures that I have that I've been buying for like the last 10 or 15 years. I've lost count how many I have, but I have quite a few. Eventually what I like to do is get a curio cabinet to go in this corner of my dining room and over here on this wall, and I can put them all in cabinets because none of them are uniform in shape, and their cases would be like expensive to get custom built. But anyway, that's what's coming up eventually once I start having some modeling time, and I cannot wait to be retired so that I can have some time to work on all my stuff. Bye.